Ever since I left the city.
I give you a quick tour to my new home.
Ganda.
This is our little dome.
This is what you call the bubble tent.
This is located at Wadi Ram, and this is our mini toilet. And there's the ear. Strong air is coming. Oh, yeah.
Ito yung mushroom niya. Ganda. Talking
yeah,
about
we're doing some little small vlog and have followers like that. Yeah.
Drink with the
yeah, this is Mr. Walid. Mr. Walid, our tour guide, and our Arbab. I forgot that name.
Aziz.
Our Arbab. This is the owner of all this campsite. number one.
Number one, this is the Arbab.
Arbab.
Me not alone, my brother.
Working here. This is only transport and management. We are here now at Jordan. Hello, you my man. Welcome to our tour. Let's go. Look at this great and wonderful, beautifully made nature. Not made in sand. Not made by air. But this formation created 1,000 years ago. Look how beautiful it is. Side by side. Jordan. Beautiful, too cold place. Now it's starting summer, but here it's touring around Jordan. And we are here in Wadi Ram. We're only at Jordan. See how beautiful it is. And for 1,000 years. Slowly, bye. Yeah, this is our Arbab, Sheikh Aziz.
How old are you?
25.
23.
Yeah.
Huh?
23, huh?
I got it. I said 23. I said 23.
Yeah, there's price for that.
Ano para pag-akyat mo ba? Ayaw daw, mahulog ka. Baba na. Sige.
Bye. Let's go. A little bit heavy. Let's go. The driver is going up. Ito na pwede mo saka. Sigurado. Yan na lang, picture na lang.
We told you a long time ago from Turkey to Saudi, right?
Sunda ko. This is the army, old army people. From the here. Here, the shot can. Boom, boom, boom. There's the operator. Here, sitting here. Doon ka. Ganyan. Sundan mo ako. Doon ka. Here. Okay, done. Go to the next one. There you go. Then I got this one. So look at this, and we will send it back. Look at this guy.
Because we cannot bring you to the airport.
Yeah, bye. No flash, become an army. Ah, like that. Yeah. Very
One
good.
from here, one from
Okay. Yeah, guys. Naglakad na po kami ng kulang-kulang isang oras. Tapos meron pang haba-haba.
Isang oras na ba yan?
Kulang-kulang. Kasi nagbudol man tayo. Mahaba din yun. Tapos, eto. May steps pa. Punta doon sa monastery nila. Huwag kang lumapit sa akin. Eto. Mahaba pa. Ang init-init na. Laban lang. Para sa ekonomiya. Pero maraming nag-offer. Ride ng donkey. Meron din kabayo. Pero, stage by stage lang kami nila binababa. Pagdating doon, sasalubong naman iba. Pero, ito nga. Laki rin naman pala talaga. Oh, so, let's go. Anong oras na? Dos. Ang haling tapat. Okay.
Pause na.
Ang tatay ka kahit saan. Oh, ayan o. Tae.
Wala bang tao dito?
Ang daming mga yung bahay o. Bahay. Yabang. Yabang pamor. Yan. Nana siya eh. Nakauyab na si Manang. Siya uyab. Lakaw. Lakaw may pighanag. Gilangaw managdangke. Sige, tingnan diha. Nantawa ng imong palitil. Imong sakay. Gatpilid.
Ate, sasakay mo.
Yeah. Ako na driver. Masarap naman ito. Slow. Kabayo ba ito? Bangke.
Don't look down. Don't look down.
Look down.
Don't look down.
Look down.
Don't. My God, this is so scary. Don't look down.
Mingihi ba to? Dili ko mingihi.
Okay. We survived. Oh, ang lalim.
Tanawa, wala makakita.
Video ikaw.
May tao diri ganyan sa kasaka. Sa
Yan, dun. Sa likod mo.
Alcabta Trail. Or
Dun.
Tombi. Kani tom po ni? Ako ba kay mo adto ko dito muna. Okay. Ito po yung buong kiyat eh. Malagusan. Yan. Siya. Hindi na lagusan. Hindi ito. Anong 6? So people getting here for drink?
Yes.
They drink?
Yes.
Ano daw to guys? Meron po parang tubig dito. Tubig. Ito yung spring nila Moses. Here.
Yes. This is original from this. Under this. From the water. But this is new.
So water coming from down this rock, huh?
Yeah.
The water of this rock. This water coming from. May tubig sa ilalim ng bato. Spring. Oh. Dili na picture. Lakaw ra diha kung ganan ka may story at you talk.
So my friends below, this is the baptism site by the water spot where Jesus baptized. Over there we have the old church, and the right hand of me, this is where the river Jordan used to flow. Basically the site of baptism officially appointed based on three major evidence: Bible, excavations, and we have the pilgrim descriptions. The water you see here is not from River Jordan. This is a unique spring, was known as Spring of John the Baptist. Over there we have a nice mosaics map showing us the way how the River Jordan used to flow. Then His Majesty the King, Royal Family, and Pope Francis was 10 years ago. After your pictures, we'll keep up to take a look to the river and to the new church.
Hindi makita. Mahulog ka?
Wala panghugas. So guys, dito tayo ngayon sa River Jordan, yung boundary ng Israel at saka Jordan. Yan guys, sa kabila Israel na yan. Yan yung pinaka river where Jesus baptized. Andun sa kabila yung kung saan mismong site binaptize ng mga military ng Israel. Andun sila. Ayan, Israel yan. Ayan yung flag ng Israel. Yan mismo. Yung yan, Israel side yan. Dito naman Jordan. So andito po yung mga turistang kasabay namin sila. And that's it. Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Hello, this is Guruto. You know Guruto?
Pagdali kayo maligo to.
Guruto is here.
Float na, dali.
Ha?
Float na.
No.
Float na.
Wait. Oh, tanggal na yung mga putik.
Float na.
Tusa kang lulutang. Init man.
Pagdali.
Oh, it's too hot. Oh. Lulutang ka lang. Toing.
Sige na, bye-bye na.
Mag-live. Ang tungalan dito ang?
Citadel.
Hmm?
Citadel.
Citadel.
Pante, oh.
Just
Hindi ko makalakaw.
photo.
Oh, this. Why dito? Ano ba tayo? Stand. Oh. Dito yung. Oh. Mga harong, ano, pete. Nalita. Ito. Okay, ito na.
Here, a nice picture. Sorry, here. Get photo. All this.
Napiligyan rin.
Thanks.
Very nice.
Oopsie. Allah, my God, this is. Oh, this is a Roman theater
Yeah.
up close.
You up close, you Roman.
Oh my God.
North Theater. Medyo ka video. Picturean mo siya tong. We will go back there in
Why did you
Christian
stay
side.
in? Why do you really stay in Akawa in night?
Yeah, we will go there. Hindi ka magdala na. Init kayo. Hala. Here we go. This is the place where you find olives on the side by side.
Audience.
Ano olives? Dito tayo sa Mount Nebo.
Hindi ni live ah.
Ha?
Hindi ni live.
Bakit?
Ang video sa akin wala tayo pang video ka. Live ka. Anong pasa?
Ha?
Nandun kanina sa museum, hindi ka nagtingin. Okay, go. Mga ni siya lupa.
Something from this Mount Nebo where Moses last. Oh yeah. It's too much. Get here. We'll do it now. Yeah. That's somewhere smart. Go. Here. Go. Here. Ito.
Mga Ben, dyan silang lahat Ben, pagdali diya. Ben.
Doon na yun.